Welcome to the legendary Abbey Road Studios. Today we are capturing a special sound, unique like our rollers, many times copied but never matched since 1959. Stars that recorded here sometimes moved our hearts and sometimes broke them. By the way, our rollers were designed by an artist too. It is the soundtrack of our business. More than 500 million rollers produced. Who has not seen them? But how do they sound? At Interroll, we are curious, innovative, and always put our customers first. We want them to be our fans. Interroll sounds good.